All right, so today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. Our agenda today is actually pretty simple. We're going to review our Google Meets etiquette. We're going to review our class norms, review and recite our mission statement, and go over our goals. We are going to get back into Canvas for assignments. I know this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we've been in STEM scopes because I wanted you guys to have an opportunity to review concepts while the kids in campus were taking some sort of weird test that we're just required to do. We're all done with those, so now we can move on. When you are done with the Canvas assignment, I would like you to go on to Education Galaxy and work in math for Education Galaxy. See if we can't hone those math skills. Google Etiquette. This is huge. Please make sure you show up on time. Make sure you have a quiet place to work. If you are surrounded by noise, that is not a good place to be. Have all your supplies and materials. Mute your microphone. Video on. We are having a huge issue with people turning their videos off. If your excuse is you don't want to be in the recording, then don't talk. Don't interrupt because your faces are not in the recording. I don't record using our Google Meet. I record using another application that allows me to just record what I am presenting to you and my voice, and that's it. So, for all of you who have your videos off, you need to turn them on. They need to be turned on. No? All right. Remember this, that I've warned you several times that they need to be turned on so that when I have parent-teacher conference calls, I can let them know that you are not fully participating and following instructions provided by the district. That's a district rule. Note this. Make sure that you raise your hand or that you use the nod button. Please do not unmute to help. Do not unmute to ask a question. Do not unmute to announce anything. You need to be at a level 0. I know some of you like to unmute and think that you're helping, but when you unmute and start talking, you're making the situation worse, not better. So please do not unmute until I have said your name and asked you what you had to share. Please don't do that. Make sure that you are sitting up fully engaged. What you don't need to be doing is laying down. You are at work, guys. You're at work. You need to be fully prepared to give it your all so that you can succeed. And then, of course, leave at the end of the meeting. One of the indications that you are not participating like you are supposed to is that we have to kick you out of the meeting at the end. That tells us that you're in the meeting on your computer, but then you're running off and doing something else. That's not okay. That is the only thing that we can assume from that is that you are not doing anything that you are supposed to if we have to kick you out of the meeting at the end because you're not sitting at your computer. All right, so that's in the wrong order. Nope. Whoa, stop. I need to reorder these. Our mission statement, you do not have to unmute. I can see you. We will work together as friends and family. In Mrs. Met's class, to gain more knowledge, to work, and to learn. So we can all be successful. We will listen to each other, help each other, and encourage each other. We will make things happen and show the world we will not accept anything short of the best. Good job, guys. Thank you. Our class goal is 100% of Mrs. Met students will show growth on unit assessments throughout the 2020-2021 school year. They will accomplish this goal by being purposeful and intentional with their time and learning. Our class norms is to be kind, be respectful, and be working. Today's learning objectives is you will be able to explain how the Earth's surface changes over time. You will know you have learned this by making at least an 80% on the questions. And there's a misspelled word, but I will deal with that in a minute. So, the key here is you are going to watch a short video, and I will show it all to you. We are going to watch a short video, and then I will show you how to get into Canvas so that if you choose to watch the video again, there's actually 2 videos in the Canvas assignment. There's this video, and then there is a song that I thought was cute. So let's move on with this. Can y'all hear it? It's glitchy apparently. I go into class link. Getting into my Mrs. Metz homepage. And go down to, I am going to go into student view so you can see what it looks like on your end. And again, I learned from you guys that the easiest way to get into it, when I look over here on the left-hand side of the homepage, you have home, announcement, syllabus, modules. Modules is the quickest way to get in there. Are you all listening? Go to the Canvas homepage and get into modules, because trust me, about half of you right now are not doing it and you're not going to get this assignment done. All right. I clicked on modules. It immediately takes you to week 16 because that's what week we are in terms of learning. I believe we're actually on week 17 in terms of the school year. But in terms of learning, we are on week 16. So, week 16, right here, see that? Or actually right here, the one that I keep highlighting, science, week 16, day 4, Thursday. I spelled weathering wrong. Man, I'm just all sorts of spelling words wrong. I'll fix them all. Click on that assignment. Go check and make sure you're all on it. Let's see. Everybody clicking on. There you go. Look at y'all. You're not looking at this meeting anymore. Go into Canvas. There you go. There you go. There you go. Look, 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 look. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Holy moly. Look at y'all. This is super fantastic. Super fantastic. Cruz, you need to be in HEBISD. Why is it telling you it's locked? Why are you in Lindsay's class? Get out of Miss Lindsay's class. Go to Mrs. Metz 4th grade. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay, okay. I see. Okay. All right. So now that you are all in, man, that is fantastic. Thank you all so much for listening and doing what I asked you to do. That means so much to me. Oh my goodness, that's so encouraging. You just made me the happiest teacher in the world. So, go ahead, and if you want to watch this video again, because it may be less glitchy on your end, go watch it again. I also have a video here that is super fun music to listen to. Listen to it a couple of times. Learn the song. That might be fun. And when you're done with that, there's a short 5-question quiz. Not really a quiz. It's basically just 5 questions. Were you paying attention? Can you answer these questions? I suspect you'll all get a 100, right? Because you have the internet at your fingertips. You have the internet at your fingertips. Take that quiz. When you're done, when you are done taking that quiz, I am going to go back to my presentation to show you what you need to do next. When you are done with that quiz, what I want you to then do is go get on Education Galaxy. Go get on Education Galaxy. Nope. Not where I wanted. Man, my computer is working slow this morning. It is sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy. Ah, there it is. Got it. Got it. Got it. What? Where is... Seriously, my computer is working in snail mode. There it is. Okay, I got it. I'm about to show it to you. So, when you get done with those 5 questions, you need to go get on Education Galaxy and work on math so that we can make up some math minutes. We're making up math minutes for math workshops. Click your raise your hand button if you have any questions. Tyler, do you have another question?